Today we find ourselves at a military training battlefield. Military training is held here today. One of the vehicles we have in training today is a military helicopter. Some military helicopters can weigh more than 11 tons. Wowie zowie! That is so heavy. So how does something that gigantic fly through the air? How interesting. But what parts does the military helicopter consist of? Let's put it together and learn what parts make up this military helicopter. We begin putting together our helicopter from the body, which will continue to strengthen all of the parts. We then set up the two seats. Now we set the two control panels. I mean, who doesn't like to push buttons? Now it's time to install the door. A must-have part of the military helicopter is an engine, but this engine is also known as a turbine. The next step, we set up the propellers. One main one at the top of the helicopter, and one on the tail. And on either side of the body, we set up the wings. Further, on each side, we put a machine gun. And 4 missiles. Whoa! Be careful, they're dangerous. To climb into the cab of our military helicopter, we set footrests. And now, my good friend, let's set up the gun. Also, in the front of this helicopter, we install security cameras and lighting. The military helicopter is ready. The main advantage of the helicopter is its ability to perform a takeoff and a landing vertically. That means straight up and down. They can take off and land anywhere there's a flat area. That's so cool! This helicopter can also fly forwards, backwards, and sideways. In addition to this, it can hover in the same place in the air. No way! This is so cool! But, I'm so sorry, it's time to say goodbye, friend. But now you know what parts the military helicopter consists of. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.